Hi there guys, how are you? Now in this video I'll discuss the importance of Australian literature. अगर आप UGC NET इंग्लिश की तैयारी कर रहे हैं then reading Australian literature is very important. And let me show you the reason. ये देखो question. This is one of the previous year's questions of UGC NET. Which among the following are the Australian Aboriginal texts? ठीक है, और यहाँ पे कुछ examples हैं और आपको identify करना है. But let me tell you that the questions that come from Australian literature are not only limited to Aboriginal texts. Australian literature also has other sub varieties within the overall corpus of Australian literature. तो वो सब पढ़ना बहुत जरूरी है. The first important sub variety is bush literature. ये बुश लिटरेचर क्या होता है? आफ्टर दैट वी हैव माइग्रेंट लिटरेचर और माइग्रेशन लिटरेचर. ये क्या होता है? एंड हु आर द मेजर राइटर्स हु राइट इन दिस सब वैरायटी? उसके बाद फेमिनिस्ट लिटरेचर. एज इट हैपेंस दैट फेमिनिस्ट लिटरेचर इज ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट, बी इट इंडियन इंग्लिश राइटिंग और ब्रिटिश राइटिंग और अमेरिकन लिटरेचर. After that, war literature. Now let me tell you that war literature is not limited to Great Britain and Europe. ठीक है, even within Australian literature there is war literature. ये पढ़ना बहुत जरूरी है. उसके बाद urban literature. Now much of Australia is urban. ठीक है, very little of it is rural. But still there is a difference between rural Australian literature and urban literature. What is that difference? And who are the important writers? उसके बाद white settler literature. After that, environmental literature. Now let me tell you that Australia is a vast continent. ठीक है, a country as well as a continent, almost as big as United States of America. So just as we have environmental emphasis in American literature, similarly we have environmental literature even within Australian literature. It talks about the Australian landscape, the ruggedness of Australian landscape. At times it also glorifies such landscape. After that, historical fiction. And there is one more which is considered quite important, that is nationalist literature. Now अगर आप UGC NET English की तैयारी कर रहे हैं then definitely go through Australian literature, including all the sub varieties of Australian literature. And if you are looking for coaching, online coaching, then we are starting a new batch on the 15th of July. For enquiries, just call or WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296. And similarly, we are also running a fresh batch for MA English entrance or CUET PG English 2025. A new batch begins on the 15th of July. ठीक है, and one last announcement, if you want to connect with me, अगर आप मुझसे जुड़ना चाहते हैं then you can follow me on Telegram. ठीक है, and this is the official link, Harsh Singh Sir Official, and this is a brief about me. You can read here. ठीक है,